Hey everyone, you know those scenes in films where the text is randomly generated and then it reveals itself? Well, for this After Effects tutorial, we're gonna take a look at how to create the random letter reveal effect. And the first thing you want to do is, of course, you want to right-click in the empty area, go to New, and get yourself a text layer in here. You want to type in your text, and of course, we want to press Ctrl+8 to select all and customize this. So let's put to 700 for the size. We want to give it a 300 spacing in between. We can go to the first tool. We want to move this over to here, and then you want to also center the anchor point. And to do this, you hold Ctrl and then double left. Click on the anchor point button right here. And of course, once it's centered, we can align this to the center. Next up, you want to open up the text and go over to the play button right here, and you want to click on here and go to character offset in here. You want to go ahead and hold Alt and then left. Click on the stopwatch and type in wiggle bracket 4, and then fort. And then of course, end it with the bracket. You can left. Click off of this and you'll see that this will now randomly generate the letters. So what we need to do to reveal this is you want to open up the range selector and you'll see something called offset. So in the offset, you want to left click on the stopwatch to get yourself a keyframe. So the first keyframe is going to be on 0. And then you want to go further out and then type in 100 in here. So what this will do is it will make it so it goes from 0 to 100, and as you can see, it will slowly start to reveal the text. Now, of course, if you wanted this to be quick, you can move the keyframes much closer together. But if you want it slower, then you would just move the keyframe much more further out. And of course, this will give it more time for it to randomly reveal the text. Now, let's say the order of your text reveal didn't really matter, and you didn't want it to go from left to right. What you can do is you can go into the advanced, go down to the one that will say randomized order, and then if you turn this on, it will make it so it reveals the text from right to left. What you can do is if you go into the random seed, you can type in a number in here, and this will make it so it will randomly reveal the letters, so there's no order in which it will do it in. Now by default, this will only throw in random letters. So if you wanted this to be even more randomly generated, you can go down to the bottom where it says character range, and then in here set it to full Unicode. So this will basically allow you to also have things like numbers, and also the special characters like %. You'll have things like a $sign, dot, comma, and so much more. That is pretty much it. That's how you create the random letter reveal.